Hi guys, we're here in Fishing Planet, so we're doing some fishing at Lonestar Lake, which is a starting room, or a starting place. So basically, what to use and to get some fish and get level up if you want. So I'd spawn here, and then I walk over the pier. So the best lure I found was a golden 1/3 ounce, number one hook, or number one sized hook. A spoon, it works pretty good. You can get one almost every cast sometimes if you're in the right spot. So I basically just cast basically straight at my marker, let it sink all the way down, and then just reel in slowly. And then the straight and slow tactic works. Then you just basically wait. And then when it gets to the top, you just let it sink back down and then start it back over. See, we got one right there already. It's a decent one, it's pulling a little drag. As you can hear by the clicking. And we got a decent spotted bass. You can catch two things, or what I've found, three things, fish that I've caught with this is pumpkin seed, crappie, and spotted bass. Here, and you can catch grass pickerel too. I don't catch them too often. I catch a lot of spotted bass and crappie. This must have bite. So if you look on the right, you have where the placement, or where your lure is in the water, and then drag. If the drag goes up more, a decent amount, then you probably have a fish that just hasn't hooked on all the way. And then you just keep track on where your lure is to adjust it when needed. I got a snag there. We got another one on. This one's, I don't know how big this one is actually. It was taking drag, but not anymore. Nope, it's taking drag, so it's a decent one. To reel bigger fish in, I just go from side to side. It pulls the fish to the side, and then it reels it in. Or as you go towards it, it reels it in more. It's the best technique in the game that I found. And it's another spotted bass around the same size. You can also use shiners, small shiners. Not that. Small shiners. You can use my leader set at 50, and I'm using a what size hook? Number 6 size hook. And then and then I got some .9 mono on. for my lure, or for the line that I use, which is 6 pound. It's good enough for where I'm fishing. I haven't experienced too many breaks. And then you just sit here. It's gonna take longer, but you'll get one. There we go. And a smaller spotted bass. Yeah, like I said, it might take a little longer. With this bait, all I've caught here is spotted bass and pickerel. I usually don't catch many grass pickerel here. It's basically all spotted bass, but spotted bass give you more money, which is pretty good if you're trying to get money in the game. And there's one. Oh, and yeah, you can catch young kettle or some channel catfish too. I forgot about them. If you don't get one right away, don't worry. You'll get one sometime. Doesn't take too long. Usually you get one every other cast almost or something. You get them pretty often. Oops. Then you can let it sink. And then you just reel it back in. And I caught a bluegill somehow. I don't know how. I was trying to reel it in. Nope, just missed one. There's one. They aren't the biggest here, but you can get some pretty decent ones. The biggest, I've only caught one over 2 pounds once or twice. They're not very common. And there's another smallmouth or spotted bass. We'll try some shiners again. And then there's one with the shiners. Taking a little drag. You don't really need some good stuff for this. You can, just as long as you got a golden spoon you can cast out there, or you have shiners in that, you can do it. And if you just gotta play it smart enough so they don't break your line when you get a big one. And a small fish probably. Not sure. Well, it's a catfish, that's why. So that's 10 pounds of fish in less than a half hour. Let's see how much we got paid. $665, $997 with premium. It's not too bad.